In this video, we're going to be installing new rear hatch struts in this 2008 Nissan Xterra. So if you have one of these, when you lift open your hatch and it doesn't automatically go all the way to the top, or it sags down, or you've been hit in the head, it's time to change those hatch struts. And I'll show you step by step on how to change them. These are the hatch struts I'm talking about. There's one on each side, and over time they just get weak. They don't have enough power to hold the hatch up anymore. Like I said, sometimes you might get hit in the head. Sometimes they just don't open all the way. You got to kind of help them up. But we're going to get these replaced. It's fairly easy and inexpensive. If you're doing this by yourself, you're going to want to use a broom handle or something to hold that hatch open, because once you take that strut loose, the hatch is going to become very heavy. Or most people have a 2x4 laying around. I just have the 2x4 on the ground and had it wedged up right here. So once I loosen up that first hood strut, the hatch is not going to drop down on me. But you do need some type of support holding up the hatch. If you start on the body side or the hatch side to release, the releases are pretty much the same. What you do need a very small screwdriver. So that's compared to my fingernail right there. So this is only maybe 1/4 of an inch wide. And you need to get in this slot right here. If you look real close, there's a slot about 1/4 of an inch wide, and that's where you need to get your screwdriver into. Screwdriver down in there, kind of push it down kind of tight. You'll see this band move a little bit, and then just turn your screwdriver to the side. You see how the band came out about 1/4 of an inch? That's what releases it. Now we can pull this straight off. We're going to do the same thing to the side that's attached to the hatch. Work on one side at a time. So now just to reinstall the new one, all you have to do is push straight on and you'll feel it snap into place. So at this point I have the passenger side done. So we're just going to do the same thing to the driver's side. And I'm going to move that 2x4 over to the passenger side to help hold the hatch up. You only need that screwdriver to take the struts off. All you have to do is push them on. So you don't need the screwdriver anymore after you have the old ones off. I can remove the 2x4 because we have both new hatch struts on. Let's just move this up and down and see how it works. It definitely holds itself up. It does release and move fairly quickly. There is to it, guys. If you're doing this by yourself, probably only going to take about 10 minutes. If you have someone helping you, it's only going to take about 5 minutes. Now if you have these old struts on here like this one was, or they're kind of rusty, you might have to break that kind of collar loose and pull them off a little bit harder like I did on one. But other than that, in about 10 minutes, this job is complete and your hatch is good to go for another 5 to 7 years. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put links in the description below how to get these struts off of Amazon. Have them show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Thanks for watching.